Hey everyone, it is Melly Mel here with Sincerely Creative Mom. We are going to hang out a little bit tonight and work on the 14-inch pancake wreath frame, and we're going to work on some lemons. And so we're using today our 14-inch pancake wreath frame. I know so many of you have these and you're playing with them and you're using them and you're ordering them, and I love it. If you don't know, this frame is patent pending from Damon and I and Parker really have created this this frame. If it weren't for all three of us putting our efforts together, it would not have come to fruition. So really excited to be using these. So we're going to use yellow here, and yellow is going to seem kind of harsh against the we're using black mesh. So it's going to seem kind of harsh against the black mesh, but it's totally going to be fine. So the frame is created so that you can literally just find the holes that match the notch, put your pipe cleaner in the hole, pull it out to the notch, and there's where you are. Now, you want to make sure you're tying it tight, okay? So crisscross, twist, twist, and that should not go anywhere. It's not moving, it's not anything. It's secure right in that notch, not going anywhere. So we're doing 12. The frame has 12 spots. So we're going to do 12 today. Okay, so we have our 14-inch frame, and we have 12 twist ties, exactly where the frame tells us. Now if you look closely, we still have some extra spots here that will be used or could be used to help you balance your sign if you're putting a rectangle sign on, or a sign a little bit higher, and then a bow maybe down here. So they're there to help you if you need a spot to secure something else. They're not necessary, okay? All right, so we're gonna get started. We have our mesh 20 inches long, 20 inches long on the mesh, but we're gonna do, on the outside, we're gonna do the Pancake 2.0 ruffle, and then on the inside, we're gonna be the Pancake 1.0. So we're gonna do two different things here. So instead of ruffling right up the center, I'm gonna go a little bit off to the side and ruffle out here to make this one side of our ruffle nice and big. It's kind of wavy too. I like it a lot. Cross, twist, twist. Again, I'm not going right up the center. I'm going slightly up the side. Right out here. Okay, so our 2.0 our 2.0 ruffles get 16-inch ribbon tails. So I'm going to ruffle that up the side, right up the middle, right up the middle, nice and tight. Bend them out towards me. Okay, so we're not putting anything else inside these outside twist ties, so I'm going to go ahead and tie those off. But we are putting some lemons inside the inside here, on the inside one, so I'm not going to tie them. I'm going to hopefully remind myself to not tie them off. So again, these are 16-inch. We want all of our ribbons sticking right out towards the edge. I dovetailed the end and put my favorite ribbon on the top. So this was very easy to match. The sign had a lot of black and white. It had the polka dots, had a little bit of green. So we're going to come around now and work on those inside pipe cleaners. But we're going to put some lemons in there, in each of them. So I have 5 lemon pieces. I have 6 twist ties here. So I'm going to put them in all 5, and then the one that we have left over is going to be where our bow goes. This now is going to go straight up the middle. So I'm going to ruffle that right up the center. And it's going to go right down on top. I'm not going to move anything else out of the way. I'm just going to go right down on top and bring those bright yellow pipe cleaners right to the top. And we're going to overlap those. And overlap this again, 20 inches long on the mesh. Okay, now coming right in on top, so I'm going to put my 12-inch ribbon, 12-inch ribbon here, same ribbons, but 12-inch ribbon. Okay, nice and tight. I'm going to pull those apart and put them in place. Then, I need my stem cutter. I'm going to take my cutter and I'm going to cut most of that off because I don't need most of it. I'm going to slip that under there. Nice and tight. And then I'm just going to wrap that around. I'm not even going to bother cutting it off because you're not going to see it anyways. Okay, so again, 12 inches right up the center. Now, I'm not worried about what goes in the center here because that sign is going to cover that up perfectly. We're going to end up with one spot without, because I only had 5 of these, but it's totally okay because we're going to cover that with a nice bow. Let's make a bow. Six-inch loops, 8-inch tails with both of my thumbs that want to scream at me and do the best I can. So we're going to do 1 and 1. We're going to do 1 loop, 1 tail on each. Yellow. Now, it also come together pretty quickly because I had everything cut, right? Like I had everything ready for us. you know, to be ready to go. So that made everything go a little bit quick also. I did that kind of behind the scenes. And then we're going to go with our one polka dot on the top. One little loop center. It's about a 3-inch loop on that top. Who doesn't love polka dots? It's super cute. Just keep in mind those bright yellow pipe cleaners that I used here. See how we can do in the end. Make sure we don't see them. I'm just going to hold on to that middle. And I know I pulled that pipe cleaner really tight, so I know that that center is secure. And make sure I pull all my tails down to one side. I'm just going to pull those opposite. So I pulled that lemon down and the polka dot up. I'm going to pull the lemon up and the polka dot down. Okay, so we have that, and then I'm just going to add, oopsie, a little bit of wire. And yes, you will see it. You might not see the bottom too much, but you'll see the top. But it's fine. See, now we've covered all the parts that we thought we were going to see. Well, you'll see that in a minute. And then we'll put our bow right down here at the bottom. Just going to tie it right in that notch there. So I brought that wire right through that hole. All right, where'd that bow go? Here we go. Super duper cute. All right. I just went through the sign on that. I just went through the sign. Just put that pipe cleaner right through the sign. It's totally fine. And then I'm going to go right through the outside here. And then the last thing I like to do right before I take pictures is just run along the outside, making sure all those ribbons are out towards the edge. Perfection. Still nice and thin for the pancake. But this is great. I totally love it, and it was super quick.